What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs and welcome back to another video. I'll make this video a little bit more of a vlog. So I came to buy some dog food for the dogs, and then I'm gonna go to AutoZone, rent the tool to tighten up the fan clutch so I could be able to drive the truck around, because I want to be able to drive it by tonight. And then later on in the week, take it to Downey to get it tuned by Frank STD, so the electric fans will be ready and the truck is cool. But right after I finish the fans, here's what's coming next for the truck. I'm gonna take it to JP Performance so they could do a complete reseal of where all my oil leaks are at, because the leaks are really bad, especially these last few times that I've turned on the truck. I've noticed a big amount of oils coming down. So let's continue this vlog. Alright, load up on dog food and some treats. Now let's head to AutoZone. Damn, my car's like filthy from the road trip me and my girl took up to Dixon, California. I wish I had some. Well, I mean, I took her to the sunflower field. I'll put in some clips right now so you guys can check it out. It's pretty fun. There it is. Let's go home. Got the Lamborghini hood up. Sorry about the vibrations. Damn, she looks nice. What's up, girl? She dirty as fuck though. Dirty as fuck, bro. Now we're gonna need a 10 mil.
Ew, it's hard. Stop.
First time in my video, bro. Alright guys, so my girlfriend came through and we're gonna go she's gonna go buy some sparklers for her little brother. So, and this is the first time she comes out of one of my videos, so babe, look at her. Cute as fuck. Plan on doing a video with her of teaching her how to drive stick, so stay tuned for that.
What's up?
Doing some major cleaning to the garage right now. And also building a shed in the back. Just gotta install the roof, the doors, and all that. Sorry I wasn't able to finish the video yesterday, guys. Got a little caught up with some stuff. It's been a busy day today, so I haven't really been able to keep up with that vlog. But let me know if you guys do like when I vlog other than just my truck. Just like a daily vlog like this, like working on other stuff, because obviously working on my truck isn't the only thing I do. But let me know if you guys enjoy it, just keeping up with what I do and all that good stuff, you know, vlogging. But I'm gonna try to finish up this shed, install the roof, and figure out how to put these doors. Pepino pa'l calor. ¿No las lavaste? ¿Eh? ¿Ya qué? was upside down. Oh, no. Yeah, Mom found it. Watch out, Ariel's turning on. Alright guys, so it looks like the truck's running good. Fan clutch is as far in as it possibly can. So now I'm gonna go return the tool, and truck's ready to be driven and taken for the tune.